Hello. In this video, we will be looking at comparing major and minor keys. Specifically, we will be looking at the two comparisons of major and minor keys that are parallel and relative. When looking at parallel major and minor keys, one of the main things is that the tonic pitch, the pitch on which the key is based, is the same for both of the keys. While the tonic pitch is the same for both keys, the key signature will be different. To change the key signature from a major key to its parallel minor, start with the major key signature and we will flatten or lower 3 pitches following the reverse order of sharps, or the normal order of flats. Sharps are always removed first before we begin to add flats. To go from a minor key to a parallel major key, we add 3 sharps in the opposite order we did the flats. Flats are always removed first. Here we can see the order of sharps and flats along with the direction that is followed. Let's look at an example of how to go from a major key to its parallel minor and a minor key to its parallel major. Let's start with the key of C major. The parallel minor of C major would be C minor. Because the tonic pitch does not change, we can leave the notes that are present and instead just change our key signature. Because the key signature of C major has no sharps present, we do not need to worry about adding sharps and can instead start adding our flats. Once again, to go from a specific major key to a parallel minor key, we will add 3 flats. In this case, we will add B flat, E flat, and A flat to be in the key of C minor. Now we will look at going from minor to major, using the example of D minor. The parallel major of D minor would be D major. Again, we will keep our pitches the same and instead change the key signature by adding 3 sharps. D minor begins with 1 flat that must be removed. Because we have removed that 1 flat, we will now only add 2 sharps. Following the order of sharps, that would be F sharp and C sharp. When looking at relative major and minor keys, the tonic pitch no longer remains the same, but instead the key signature now remains the same. This works for either going from major to minor or minor to major. To determine what pitch becomes the new tonic pitch, it will depend on whether you are going from major to minor or minor to major. When going from major to minor, go to the 6th scale degree of the major key. That pitch will be your relative minor key pitch. For example, in the key of C major, the 6th scale degree would be the pitch A. So, the relative minor of C major would be A minor. When going from minor to major, go to the 3rd scale degree of the minor key. That pitch will be your relative major key tonic pitch. For example, in the key of D minor, the 3rd scale degree would be the pitch F. So, the relative major of D minor would be F major. Thanks for watching.